ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। श्रील भक्तिवेदांत ठाकुर। सो मुख्य रसः प्रेम प्रणय मान स्नेह राग अनुराग महाभावमयः. That primary rasa consists of various stages: prema, pranaya, mana, sneha, raga, anuraga, mahabhava. तत्र उल्लासमात्राधिक्य व्यंजिता प्रीति रतिः शांतरसे अनुमीयते यस्यां जातायां अन्यत्र तुच्छ बुद्धिश्च जायते. When love of Godhead, when affection is manifested, which is filled with ullasa, ullasa, exaltation. Okay, let me take that. Then it can be inferred in Shantarasa. Can be inferred to be present in Shantarasa. When Shantarasa is awoken, when that arises, then one considers everything other than the object of that Shantarasa to be insignificant. Mamata atishaya avirbhavena samriddha pritihi prema dasyarase lakshyate. When there is an excessive sense of possessiveness towards the object of affection, then affection is increased. That is prema, and that can be found in dasya rasa. Yasmin jate tat priti bhanga hetavaha na prabhavanti. When affection at the stage of prema arises, then no cause, nothing can bring about a destruction of such affection. Vishrambha atmataha prema pranayaha sakhye pratiyate. And prema, when it has the nature of confidence, absolute confidence, on an equal footing, like an equal, then that is pranaya, and that is seen in sakhya rasa. Tasmin jate sambhrama adi yogyatayamapi tad bhavaha. When that awakens, then even when there is a fitness to exhibit awe and reverence and so on, still there is no awe and reverence. Priyatva atishaya abhimanena kautilya abhasa purvaka bhava vaichitram tathat pranayah manaha. When this kind of affection becomes abundant, then with some conceit and appearance of crookedness, there's a variety of loving attitudes. Then that pranaya is transformed into mana, yasmin jate. And when that arises, Sri Bhagavan api tat pranaya kopat premamayam bhayam bhajate. And even the Supreme Personality of Godhead, even he becomes affectionately frightened of angering a person who has that kind of affection. Chetu drava atishayatmakaha premaiva sneha. that love, when that causes the heart to melt in affection, that is known as sneha. Yasmin jate महाबाष्पादि विकारः दर्शन अतृप्तिस् तस्य परम सामर्थ्य आदौ सत्यपि केषांचित् अनिष्टा शंका च जायते. When that arises, then there's there is a lot of tears are shed profusely. There is no satiation by looking at the object of affection, even though that object of affection is supremely capable and so on. Still, there is a fear that something undesirable might take place because of some people, because of some persons or something like that. Dvaveto vatsalya lakshate. Both of these are found in vatsalya rasa, both of these features. Sneha eva abhilashatmakaha ragaha. And it is that sneha, when it is filled with hankering, that is known as raga. Yasmin jate, when that arises, shanikasya api virahasya asahishnuta. There is intolerance of separation even for a moment. That samyoga paradukkham api sukhatvena bhavati. And union with the object of affection, even if it is filled with extreme distress, is considered to be happiness. Tad viyoge tad viparitam. And in the absence of that object of affection, then the opposite is experienced. Sa eva ragaha anukshanam swa vishayam navatvena anubhavayan swayam cha navanavi bhavan anuragaha. And when that very raga, at every moment, when it causes that person to perceive the object of affection as being new, and that when it causes that very person to be completely new and fresh to the object of affection, then that is known as anuraga. Yasmin jate, when that arises, paraspara vashabhava atishayah prema vaichitriyam tat sambandini, there's something wrong here. Sambandini pranimyapi janmalalasa. Okay, when that arises, then there is excessive mutual bondage, you can say, of affection, and then that sort of love is of varied kinds. Prema vaichitriyam. There's also the hankering to take birth amongst any creature related to the object of affection. Vipralambhe vispurtischa jayate. This is experienced during moments of vipralamba, separation. Anuraga eva asamortha chamatkarena unmadanam mahabhava. It is this anuraga itself which, when it turns into a bewilderment with an astonishment, that produces an astonishment that has no equal or no superior, then it is known as mahabhava. Yasmin jate, when that arises, yoge nimesha asahata कल्पक्षणत्वम् इत्यादिकम्, वियोगे क्षणकल्पत्वम् इत्यादिकम्. When that arises, when that person is with the object of affection, even a moment seems intolerable, and a kalpa seems like a moment, and so on. And in separation, a moment seems like a kalpa, and so on. Ubhayatra is it? Looks like a typing mistake. महादीप्त्या अशेष सात्विक विकारादिकं जायते इति प्रीति संदर्भ वचन सहायेन प्रेम अवस्थायां विशेषतः उज्ज्वल रस विक्रियायां भाव समूहानां अत्रैव श्रीमन् महाप्रभु शिक्षायां समास एव लक्ष्यते. In both of these situations, the sattvic vikaras, the various forms of sattvic vikara. Sometimes he says ecstatic symptoms. These are all words which are very difficult to translate. You have to read Nectar of Devotion parts 2, 3, and 4 to get an idea of what this is all about. The various ecstatic symptoms and so on, they are found to an unlimited and greatly blazing extent. You have to read Nectar of Devotion to understand that. And in the transformations of, specifically in the transformations of the brilliant rasa or the Ujjvala rasa refers to the rasa of conjugal love. All of these attitudes are found in summary in the teachings of Sriman Mahaprabhu. Yugayitam iti padyam sugamam. The verse beginning with Yugayitam is easy to understand. Govinda Virahena iti vakyena viprambho pragyapita. Govinda Virahena indicates that the status of Vipralamba is being discussed here. I missed out a few words here. So these transformations of Sattvic Vikar and so on are found to an unlimited, greatly blazing extent. That can be understood to be specifically in the various attitudes of Ujjvala Rasa, conjugal Rasa, and the status of developed love. This can be understood with the help of the statements found in Priti Sandarbha. Okay. So Purvarago Manasya Pravasadi Mayastatha Vipralambho Bhavidha Vidvadbhir Iha Kathyate iti. This is from Ujjvala Nilamani. The Vipralamba or separation between the Lord and his devotee in conjugal love is of three types, is of several types, but it is described as Purvaraga, Mana, Pravasa, and so on. They have been described in detail by learned souls. Atratu Mahaprabhu Vakyena Prapanchantarvarti Jivanam Purvaragadi Mayaha Vipralamba eva Sarvada Aswadaniyaha. But here in the statement of Sriman Mahaprabhu, for the living entities who are within material existence, Vipralamba can be experienced with relishment only up to these three types: Purvaraga, Mana, Pravasa. Purvaraga refers to the feelings which awaken on first seeing the Lord in conjugal love. Mana is the attitude which is developed when the Lord's beloved becomes angry with the Lord. Pravasa is experienced when the Lord goes to some other place. Okay, song. No. This is the song. गायते गायते नाम की दशा है लो शून्य धरातल में दशा से है. Okay, there are a number of songs here. The two songs are found here in one place actually. So let us look into that. गायते गायते नाम की दशा होइलो कृष्ण नित्यदास मोहि हृदय स्फुरिलो. What was that condition after repeatedly chanting the holy name? The realization that I am the eternal servant of Krishna spontaneously became manifest within my heart. Janilam Maya Pashe ei jada jagate Govinda virahe dukha pai nana mate. I realized that I was ensnared in the noose of Maya's illusion, being trapped within this dull mundane universe, and that I simply experienced misery in various ways due to separation from Lord Govinda. आर जे संसार मोर नाही लागे भालो कहाँ जाए कृष्ण हेरी ए चिंता विशाल. Furthermore, I realized that I do not like this worldly existence. Where can I go to see Krishna? This was my great anxiety. कांदिते कांदिते मोर आँखी बोरिश होय वर्षधारा हेनो चखे होइलो उदय. Crying and crying, tears poured from my eyes, appearing just like torrents of rain in the monsoon season. निमेश होइल मोर शतजुग सम गोविंद विरह आर सहिते अक्षम. Unable to bear separation from Lord Govinda anymore, for me the passing of a moment became like 100 long ages. शून्य धरातल चौद के देखिए पुराण उदास है की करी स्थिर नाही है जीवन नाही करय. As I look about in all directions, the surface of the earth appears to be void and my very life breath feels empty. What am I doing? What am I doing? I do not feel at all tranquil and the life within my body is slipping away. ब्रजवासीगण मोर प्राण राखो देखाओ श्री राधा नाथे भक्ति विनोद विनती मानिया लो हे ताहारे साथे. O residents of Rajadham, please save my life and show me the Lord of Sri Radha. Oh, please consider the prayers of this Bhaktivinoda and take him into your company. Shri Krishna Virahar Sahite na pari Oran chadite ar din dui chari. I'm unable to further tolerate this separation from my Lord Shri Krishna, and I'm ready to give up my life in 2 days or 4. গাইতে গোবিন্দ নাম উপজিল ভাবগ্রাম দেখিলাম যমুনার কূলে वृषभानु सुता संगे श्याम नटवर रंगे बांशधारी बजाई मीप मूले. Upon singing the holy name of Govinda, a host of ecstasies arose within me, and I saw Lord Shamsundar, the best of dancing actors, standing on the banks of the Yamuna in the company of the daughter of Maharaj Vrishabhanu. He was playing his flute with great delight at the base of a kadamba tree. Dekhiya jugala dhan asthir hoilo mon, জ্ঞান হারা হইনু তখন কতক্ষণ নাহি জানি জ্ঞান লাভ হইল মানি আর নাহি ভেল দর্শন. Seeing the treasured divine couple of Braja, my mind became unsteady and I lost consciousness. I do not know for how long I was unconscious, but when I awoke, that vision of Radha and Krishna was no longer present. Sakhi go, কেমনে ধরিব পরাণ নিমেষ হইল যুগের সমান. This is actually sung by Bhaktivinoda in his spiritual identity, which is as a maidservant of Radharani. So they have their own friends, circles in the spiritual. Oh my dear girlfriend, how will I maintain my life? The passing of a mere moment has become like a vast age of time. শ্রাবণের ধারা আঁখি বরিশয় শূন্য ভেল ধরা তল গোবিন্দ বিরহে প্রাণ বাহিরহে কেমনে বাঁচিব বল. Tears flow from my eyes like torrents of rain in the month of Shravan, and the face of the earth has become totally void. In separation from Govinda, my life cannot go on. Please tell how I will be able to live. Bhakati Vinod অস্থির হইয়া পুনঃ নামাশ্রয় করি ডাকে রাধানাথ দিয়া দর্শন প্রাণ রাখো নহে মরি. Bhaktivinoda has become very restless and again takes shelter of the holy name, calling out, O Lord of Radha, by bestowing your audience, please save my life. By your mercy alone, I shall not perish. Chaitanya Charitamrita. Start from here. উদ্বেগে দিবস না যায় ক্ষণ হইল যুগসন বর্ষার মেঘ প্রায় অশ্রু বরিশে নয়ন. In my agitation, a day never ends, for every moment seems like a millennium. Pouring incessant tears, my eyes are like clouds in the rainy season. গোবিন্দ বিরহে শূন্য হইল ত্রিভুবন তুষানলে পড়ে যেন না যায় জীবন. The three worlds have become void because of separation from Govinda. I feel as if I were burning alive in a slow fire. Vivriti, Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati Thakur. हे गोविंद তোমার বিরহে আমার সমগ্র জগৎ শূন্য বোধ হইতেছে। O Govinda, in your separation the entire world appears empty. চক্ষু বর্ষা কালের বাড়ি ধারার ন্যায় অশ্রু প্লাবিত হইয়াছে। Like showers of rain during the rainy season, my eyes have become flooded with tears. Akshipatrer patan kale juger nyay bodh hoiteche. When my eyes close, then I feel a yuga has passed away. Iha vipralambha raser prakrishta udaharan. This is a proper example of for vipralambha. जातरति भक्तगणेर संभोगेर परिवर्ते विप्रलम्भ रसेर प्रयोजनीयता अत्यधिक ताहा प्रदर्शन परिवार जन्म श्लोकेर अवतारणा. For devotees who have whose rati or bhava bhakti has already arisen, so awoken, in place of union with the Lord, separation from the Lord is even more important. Therefore, in order to point that out, this verse has been introduced. Jada vipralambha rase ba viraha rase keval dukkha avasthit. In the material rasa of vipralambha, or in the material rasa of separation from one's beloved, there is just misery. Aprakrita vipralambhe abhyantar pradesh paramananda purna bahire jantrana vishishta. In transcendental vipralambha, in transcendental separation from the Lord, internally it is filled with supreme bliss. Externally, it seems to be a torment. যত দেখো বৈষ্ণবের ব্যবহার দুঃখ নিশ্চয় জানি হসেই পরমানন্দ সুখ. Whenever you notice the external distress of a Vaishnava, you should know for certain that it is the happiness of supreme bliss. Vipralambha sambhogir pushtikarak. Separation nourishes union. आभा विप्रलम्भेर मध्य प्रेम वैचित्य नामक अवस्था है बाह्य दर्शने संभोग विराजमान. Prema Vaichitya is talking. Within separation, Vipralambha, there is a state known as Prema Vaichitya, in which externally there is union. Prema Vaichitya is very an astonishing feature of love for Krishna. Even in the presence of the Lord, the devotee in Prema Vaichitya is frightened, thinking that Krishna will be separated and experiences separation in his presence. In his presence. Pralambha kale Krishner smaran prachurje hari vismritir abhav. At the time of separation, because of an abundance of remembrance of Lord Krishna, there is no forgetfulness of Lord Hari. Uhai bhajan parakashtha. That is the final limit of bhajana kriya. Krishna vimukh gaur nagari dale je sambhog raser chhada chhadi dekha jaye. How do you translate a word like chhada chhadi?
Very vast abundance. Everywhere.
Yeah. Amongst the Gaur, in the party of the Gaur Nagaris who are averse to Lord Krishna, we notice Sambhoga Rasa. With Lord Chaitanya, they try to establish Sambhoga with Lord Chaitanya in conjugal mode. That's a bit craziness actually. Taha Krishna Vaimukhya Vashata Aprakrita rasir badhamatra. This is just an obstacle towards the attainment of transcendental rasa because of their aversion to Lord Krishna. Sambhogvadi Atmendriya Priti Cheshta Vishisht. The persons who advocate this kind of conjugal enjoyment with Lord Chaitanya, they are filled with endeavors for their own sensory satisfaction. Sutaram, Krishna Bhakti Rahit. Therefore, they are devoid of Krishna Bhakti. Krishnendriya Pritivancha Dhore Prem Naam. Love refers to the desire to give satisfaction to the senses of Lord Krishna. If one understands this, Nija Sambhoga Rasir Tadanae Vyasta Hoya Shri Gauranga ke Nagar Sajaite Dhavito Hoivenna. When one understands this, then one will become tired of the torture of trying to experience Sambhoga Rasa with Lord Chaitanya. And one will not run towards, it's all Bengali idiom, one will not rush to make Lord Sri Gauranga into a conjugal lover. Shri Gaur Leela Rahasya Ije. Shri Krishna Ashray Jatiya Bhav Grahan Kurya Pranamba Rase Nirantar Pratishthit. The confidential truth in the pastimes of Sri Gaura is that unceasingly Sri Krishna is filled with Vipralamba Rasa while accepting the attitude of an ashraya. Now, right, give me a minute. This is something which is very often referred to by Srila Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati Thakur. You need to get this clear. There is rasa, prema bhakti. In that, one is the Vishaya, and one is the Ashraya. The Vishaya of Prema Bhakti Rasa is Krishna. That means he's the enjoyer. He's the enjoyer means he's the one. See, again, when I say enjoyer, in English, enjoyer can mean one who experiences enjoyment. The other meaning of enjoyer is the one who is predominating in the act of enjoyment. So he's Vishaya in the sense, both the Vishaya and Ashraya, the one who has love for Krishna and Krishna, both of them are experiencing happiness. So both of them are experiencing enjoyment, but Krishna is the predominator and the Ashraya is the predominated. The highest Ashraya is Radharani, and the Ashraya of Prema Bhakti Rasa refers to all the living entities also who are serving Radha Krishna, serving Krishna in various rasas and so on. But the Vishaya is Krishna himself. Sometimes we find, like Balaram, he is both Ashraya and Vishaya. He has his own young gopis, for instance, but he himself is a devotee of Lord Krishna. So he has that. So therefore, Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati Thakur is saying this. Here, Krishna, he has ceaselessly accepted with Pralamba Rasa while accepting the attitudes of the Ashrayas. Sambhog Raser Pushtir Uddeshe Ashray Jatiya Jive Purna Vikasher Parakashta Vipranambhe Avasthit. In order to nourish Sambhoga Rasa with Krishna, the living entity who belongs to the Ashray category, for him, the highest and complete what do you say, Purna Vikash?
Fully,
Blossomed.
blossomed.
Like a flower blossoms. So like that, the living entity fully blossoms to the highest stage in Vipralambha. Iha Pradashan Karivar Jannai Shri Krishna Vipralambha Rasa Avatar Nitya Shri Gaur Swarup Prakat Kuryachin. It is in order to reveal this, it is in fact in order to reveal this, that the eternal form of Sri Gaura has manifested. And that eternal form of Sri Gaura is the incarnation of separation from Sri Krishna. Is Sri Krishna Vipralambha Rasa Avatar. Tahate Sambhogvadir Kucheshta Kapane Phalavati Hoite Parina. Therefore, the ones who advocate union in enjoyment with Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, their endeavors will never ever be successful, because Lord Chaitanya himself is filled with separation towards Krishna. It is Siddhir Nishtha Kirup. What is the permanent status of perfection? Ashrishyava Padaratam Pinashtumam Adarshanan Marmahatam Karutava Yatha Tathava Vizhatalam Patu Matprananathasya Saeva. Let Krishna tightly embrace his maidservant who has fallen at his lotus feet. Let him trample me or break my heart by never being visible to me. He is a debauchee after all and can do whatever he likes, but he is still no one other than the worshipable Lord of my heart. Premad Dasha Labdhanam Jivanam Ka Pravrittir Rityalochyaha Ashrishyava Padaratam Iti. What is the activity of living entities who have attained the status of love of Krishna? Considering this, the Lord speaks this verse. Padaratam mam ashlishya sukhayatu. He can embrace this lady who is situated at his feet by embracing her. Mam padatale pinashtu peshanam karotu. Or he can crush me under his feet. Athava adarshanan mam marmahatam marma piditam karotu. Or he can crush my heart, can torment my heart by not revealing himself. Sir Lampata Chudamanir Yatha Tatha Yena Tena Prakarena Mam Vidadhatu. Let him deal with me the way he wants. He is the Christual of debauchees. This is how they talk amongst each other. Sa Kadachin na Aparha Bhavati. Yata Saiva Sarvathama Prananatha. But I have no one else but him, because he alone is in every manner the Lord of my heart. Martyo yada tyakta samasta karma niveditatma vichikirshito me tadamritatvam pratipadyamano mayatma bhuya ya chakalpate vai. Read on that. When the mortal beings decide to relinquish all fruitive activities and their results and fully surrender to me, I reciprocate by giving them the nectar of immortality, elevating them to become my eternal associates. Iti lakshanena bhaktanam premat dashayam krishnaika jivanatvam. On the basis of this defining statement, it is established that devotees on the status of love for Krishna, they exclusively subsist themselves by depending on Krishna. Siddhau cha prema dashayam. And when their status in prema, when that is established, भक्त कृष्णयोः परस्परम आकर्षण रूपः परमो धर्मो दीप्यते, then the supreme nature of mutual attraction between the devotee and Krishna, it blazes. Yatha भ्राम्यत्यो ब्रह्मन् स्वयं आकर्ष्य सन्निधौ तथा मे भिद्यते चेतस् चक्रपाणेर यदृच्छये इति श्रीमद् भागवत वचनात्. Just as pieces of iron rush of their own volition to the magnet, similarly by the independent will of the Supreme Lord, my heart and mind have shaken off their enthrallment to material life and are forcibly being drawn to the magnet of his lotus feet. So this is understood from the statement of Srimad Bhagavatam. Atra idam aloch. So this is the point to be analyzed. अणु चैतन्यस्य जीवस्य विभु चैतन्यस्य कृष्णस्य संबंधे क्वचन स्वाभाविकः धर्मः अस्ति तयोः परस्पर संबंधात्मकः. There is a relationship, a natural relationship that that relates to each other mutually between the jiva, who is minute consciousness, and Krishna, who is infinite consciousness. Such a dharma jivasya bahirmukha dashayam luptaprayas tishtati, and that nature is almost dormant in the living entity in his status of aversion towards Krishna. Punaryada jivasya swabhava prakriya स्यात् तदा जीव कृष्णयोः उभयगतः पूर्वसिद्धः धर्मः पुनः प्रकटो भवति. Again, when the living entity's nature is activated, then that nature, which has been established even before, which is related to the living entity and Krishna, that once again is manifested. Notice this, once again. That's why Bhaktivinoda Thakur repeatedly says, living entity has come from Krishna's pastimes and fallen into material existence, and it can go back. It is back. That's why this expression, back to Godhead. We don't say go to Godhead, we say back to Godhead. Akarsha sannidho parishkritamayah lauham yatha tatheti. Just as a clean piece of iron is attracted to a magnet, like that. Etad dashayam purva siddha dharma prakatanam eva dharmasya prayojanam natvanyat. The only requirement, the only goal of dharma is to manifest that nature in that status that was established since before. No other, there's no other goal. Jivasyapi tad dharma sadhane phalantara abhava iti gye. I mean, the living entity engages in the practice of that dharma, bhagavata dharma. There's no other result. This should be understood. Na parayeham niravadya samyujam swasathu krityam vibhudayushapi vah yama bhajan durjaya geha shrinkhala samvrishya tadvah pratiyatu sadhuna iti bhagavad vachana. Because the Supreme Lord has stated, O beloved gopis, there is no doubt that for my sake you have disregarded social taboos, Vedic injunctions, even cut yourselves off from your relatives and family members. Your meditation on me has been single-minded, not thinking at all of your beauty or your nuptial bliss. In order to increase your love for me, I disappeared from your sight. Please do not blame me for this act of love, because you are extremely dear to me as I am to you. Something like this, Krishna tells a living entity when he or she attains love for him. Madhurya Kadambini has got all these details. Krishna pritireva tat pritehi phalam iti siddhyati. Love for Krishna is the result of love for Krishna. That's all. There's no other result. You don't love Krishna in order to attain anything else other than to selflessly love him. Atra adarshanath yan marmahatatvam tadapi na dukkhajanakatvam kintu parama sukkhajanakatvam miti darshayan Shri Krishna. Even when the Lord does not reveal himself, the reference to him crushing the heart of his beloved, that also does not generate distress. Rather, it generates supreme bliss. Sri Krishna reveals that. Evam mad artho jitaloka veda swanam hitvo mai anuvrittaye bala maya paroksham bhajata tirohitam masuyitum marhata mat priya tat priyam priyah. This is all from, okay, that is also here. I'm not going to, I think this translation has got both of them together. Ataha sushtu uktam ashrishya va iti. Therefore, this statement, ashrishya va padarata, has been spoken very appropriately. Okay, then the remaining portion I will deal with it in the next class. Etadashtaka Mahatmya. Okay.